Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving a walk around my new Instant Vortex air fryer. Really like this thing. I've been cooking on it a few times. I've made some red snapper, look up for the video on YouTube, and air fried shrimp, the videos on YouTube also. It has pre-settings that comes in very handy when you're in a crunch. You don't have to guess your temperatures. And the thing about the pre-settings, and if you think the presetting is too high or too low, you can adjust it and it saves it and remembers it from your last adjustment. So right now my bake is set to 325. My reheat is set to 280. My roast is set to 380 degrees. And then my air fry is set to, I want to take it to 400. 400. And I just hit start and it will save it like I'm cooking. And of course it's going to preheat. It's cranking up 400. And this air fryer, it's bigger, so it does run a little louder and it gets the kitchen a little bit warmer, but nothing is near as bad as the other heat wise. But it also has the preheat setting, so now it's on. If this video stays running long enough, it'll beep after a minute or two and let you know it's time to add the meat or add your food. But hey, I really like this air fryer. I got a quick clip of me pulling out the basket and showing you the cook rack inside. But like I said, it's nice, man. It's big, it cooks the food fast, gets everything nice and crispy. And I love the presets. It's just like set it and forget it. But of course, it has a timer on it also that'll stop it. And it also rings the alarm also. But so far this air fryer has performed flawlessly, no issue at all. I've cooked some great food and you will see those in the videos and you'll see those soon. Hey guys, I'm about to pull a cook basket out to show you how big it is. See what we got. Oh wow, look at this guys. Just a few items I put in here just to show you how big this basket is. Just some seasoning. That's a big basket. It can hold a lot of meat. My hand, a lot of meat. Let's get all this stuff out the way. Huge basket, very sturdy basket. And look at this guys. This is, they call the cook grate. I'm gonna pull this out. And it's elevated, has a nice little stainless steel or aluminum handle. And I don't know if you can see, but it has 4 rubber grommets risers on 4 sides, and that keeps it sturdy inside the pot, and it helps it stay elevated. There it goes. So I'm not gonna lie guys, when I first seen this design, I was like, this is gonna be a nightmare to clean and get all the gunk out, but everything comes off very easy. Of course, this is dishwasher safe. This is dishwasher safe also. Some of my seasoning came out. But man, this is a huge basket for large families, small families. Somebody can cook multiple things, 2 items at the same time. Man, I load this thing up one time and I'm done for the night. But one good large basket, a lot of good food, easy cleaning. A lot of good food, man, I like this. And the basket is nice and sturdy. Everything is dishwasher safe. So I'm looking forward to the long haul. I think this is going to last a long time too. Guys, back to the walk around. See you in a few. Hey guys, I'm back. Just giving you this, wrapping up this walk around of this air fryer. Again, bake, reheat, roast, and air fry. You can adjust your times and temperatures. And we got a nice big basket. Everything's non-stick, everything is sturdy. Looking forward to making some great food with this air fryer for the long haul on the channel for you guys. Thank you guys for all your support, liking, commenting. I do get back to all my comments. I check comments and respond 3 to 4 times a day. Thank everyone for your support. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button under the video and share with family and friends on social media. Thank you.